Okay, for this day, I will cook my favorite dish. First, put the chicken legs and chicken breast to the water because it's so very refrigerate from the freezer. Cut the chicken legs into average size so that it will satisfy the one. Second one to do, peel the potato. So this is the thing we need to prepare. We have the chicken. I already cut it into medium size, and potato, the garlic, and also the pepper and the pineapple tidbits. This is the chicken, the potato, and the garlic, and the pepper, and the pineapple tidbits. So, come on, let's go! So, after preparing all the meat, in preparing on how to cook pininyang manok, first thing to do, we get the juice of pineapple tidbits and marinate it in the chicken. Marinate the chicken at least 20 minutes so that the chicken will become juicy and more tastier. First step, we can put the fire into a medium heat so that the pan will not so very hard. If we feel like hot, so we can already add the cooking oil to soak the garlic. If we feel the oil hot, so we can already add the garlic. Make sure that the fire is into in medium heat or low heat so that the garlic will not burn or become, stir it until the garlic will become golden brown. already golden brown, we can add the marinated chicken with in pineapple juice. We can add it by one by one. We will not throw this because we can still add to the chicken afterwards so that much better. We will wait it until 1 minute and the other side. After 1 minute, we can heat the other side of the chicken so that it balance the cook. We will wait again for another 1 minute and until become until become brown, and add the ingredients to become much more tastier. We can already add the pineapple juice that we used to wait it until the juice will become dry, or the juice will go to the chicken. We see that the chicken is already half cooked. We can already add the potato. We can already add the pineapple tidbits. We can wait it until the potato cook and wait it until 5 minutes or 8 minutes so that you can already start to eat. We can already add the spices, pepper, and also the fish sauce, so that the taste of the chicken will become balanced a little bit only. That's enough. Wait until you see that the juice or the pineapple juice will become dry, or it looks like dry. We can stir already so that the cook will balance. We can already see that the chicken and the potato are already cooked. can already turn off the gas stove and start eating. After waiting 10 years later, it already been cooked. The finished product of me, the Pinañang Manok version. And start. Already we can start eating.
Thank you. Thank you.